Scientists have just done something extraordinary. They've created a living mouse using a gene that predates animal life itself, tracing back to a time when life on Earth was microscopic and simple. What does this breakthrough mean for science? And how could it reshape our understanding of evolution? Let's dive in. Our story begins billions of years ago, long before animals, plants, or even complex cells existed. A gene called Argonaute is one of Earth's most ancient genetic tools. It first emerged in single-celled organisms to help protect their fragile DNA from viral attacks. Fast forward to today, and researchers have used this ancient gene to engineer a modern mouse. Their goal? To understand how such a primitive genetic mechanism operates in a complex, multicellular organism. Using cutting-edge genetic engineering, scientists inserted the ancient Argonaute gene into the mouse's genome. The result? A mouse with extraordinary resistance to certain genetic mutations, thanks to this billion-year-old gene's ability to repair DNA. But this isn't just about creating a super mouse. The experiment offers a window into how ancient genes continue to shape life today. It's a reminder that even the most modern creatures carry echoes of life's earliest days. This discovery could have profound implications for medicine. If the Argonaute gene can repair DNA in mice, could it one day be used to prevent genetic diseases in humans? Could it even help us slow the aging process by maintaining our genetic integrity? Beyond medicine, this research also highlights the incredible continuity of life on Earth. It's a humbling thought. A gene that once protected tiny microbes now plays a role in a complex mammal like a mouse. From the dawn of life to cutting-edge science, the journey of the Argonaute gene shows us that even the simplest beginnings can lead to extraordinary possibilities. What do you think this discovery could mean for the future of science and medicine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing breakthroughs in science and technology. See you next time. Thank you for watching.